Hello everyone. We're going to talk about a safety product that we strongly stand behind. One of the products we use is right here. We got BRK smoke detectors. We use BRK because it is one of the more reliable products on the market, and we want to make sure our clients get the best products in their home. So we've actually chosen to go with BRK. One of the great things about smoke detectors is if you have an issue in your home, whether it be a fire or just smoke, it will actually notify all people in the home that there's an issue and you need to get out to safety. So one thing people don't realize is current day requirements by National Fire Protection Agency is you actually have to have all your smoke detectors talking to each other. That means if one goes off in one room, it's actually going to set off all the smoke detectors throughout the entire home. One of the other new requirements is you actually have them in all bedrooms, the hallways outside of bedrooms, and on each level of your home. We run into a lot of homes, especially probably I'd say pre-1990. They don't have current code requirements for smoke detectors. One of the other things that you really need to remember is National Fire Protection Agency and manufacturers actually recommend you replace the actual unit every 10 years. This ensures that your units are always properly working. This is one of those things that's a safety device in your home, and you want to make sure it's always working properly. So I hope everyone finds this information is very useful. We're always here to help take care of your needs, and we also do whole home safety inspections. So if you have concerns whether or not your smoke detectors are working, whether or not your home meets current code on locations, just give us a call, 214-728-1977. Bye.